Hello all, I am P.W. Ingde working as an assistant professor at Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. Up till now we have discussed the case of chord plate, fixed chord plate in which J strike at the center of plate. Now case number 2 is J strike the chord plate at one end tangentially when the plate is symmetrical. Okay, so this is a case number 2. Consider that the chord plate is symmetrical about the x-axis, then the angle made by the tangent at two ends of the plate will be same. Okay, let v be the velocity of jet of water, theta be the angle made by jet with x-axis at the inlet tip of the chord plate. If the plate is smooth and loss of energy due to impact is 0, then the velocity of water at outlet tip of chord plate will be equal to v. Okay, now this is what the case. It is a case of fixed chord plate in which water enters in a tangential direction. Okay, so obviously since now in previous case the water will have an impact, impact was at center, so initial velocity was what, in a horizontal direction. Now it is this velocity will have some theta angle, so it has two components, v cos theta and v sin theta. Similarly, when the after at outlet, again v will be having two components, v cos theta and v sin theta. Next thing is what, the plate is smooth, that's why velocity of water at outlet tip is also v, but v will be having two components. Okay, so this is what the symmetrical case, this angle is also theta and this angle is also theta. Okay, therefore the forces exerted by the jet of water in a direction of x and y, yes, so it is what, Fx equal to mass per second by applying impulse momentum principle. What is impulse momentum principle? F dt equal to m dv. Okay, so F equal to m by dt. M by dt is nothing but mass per second, so it is rho av in bracket v1x minus v2x. So v1x is what, x component, okay, of initial velocity, and this is x component of final velocity. So x component is in a direction of flow, and at outlet it is in a direction opposite to the flow. That's why at inlet v1x is what, v cos theta, and at outlet it is minus v cos theta. So rho a v in bracket initial velocity minus final velocity. So you are getting what, rho a v in bracket v cos theta plus v cos theta. Therefore it is 2 rho a v square cos theta. Similarly fy is what, rho a v in bracket v1y minus v2y. So it is v sin theta minus v sin theta. So it is 0. Okay. Now case number 3. Jet strike the unsymmetrical chord plate at one end tangentially. Okay, so same case, only angles are different, plate is unsymmetrical. So theta is the angle made by a tangent at inlet tip with x-axis, and phi is the angle made by tangent at outlet tip with the x-axis. So two components of velocity at inlet are what, v cos theta and v sin theta. Okay, and two components of velocity at outlet, it is v2x equal to v minus v cos phi minus v cos phi, and v2y equal to v sin phi. So by applying impulse momentum principle to calculate force exerted by the jet of water, that is Fx and Fy, so Fx equal to what, mass per second in bracket initial velocity minus final velocity. So it is rho av in bracket v1x minus v2x equal to rho av in bracket v cos theta minus of minus v cos phi. Why theta and phi? Because plate is unsymmetrical. Okay, this is what, jet strike the unsymmetrical chord plate at one end tangentially. Okay, so therefore Fx equal to rho av in bracket v cos theta plus v cos phi equal to rho av square in bracket cos theta plus cos phi. Similarly Fy, rho av in bracket v1y minus v2y by applying impulse momentum principle for y direction. So rho av mass per second in bracket initial velocity v sin theta minus v sin phi. Therefore it is rho a v square sin theta minus sin phi. So we have seen the force exerted at center. So what equation we are getting? Yes, this is what the equation for when jet strike the guard plate at center. Okay, yes, Fx equal to rho a v square 1 plus cos theta. So when the jet strike the curved plate at one end tangentially, so it is what? Yes, it is equation is 2 rho a v square cos theta, Fx equation. Okay, and equation for force exerted when the plate is unsymmetrical is what? Rho a v square in bracket cos theta plus cos phi. Okay, so till now we have discussed number one, impact of jet on fixed plate which is kept perpendicular, then impact of jet on fixed inclined plate, then impact of jet on curved plate which is having a center impact, then impact of jet on a curved plate in a tangential direction which is symmetrical plate, and impact of jet on unsymmetrical curved plate in a tangential direction. Okay, so this completes the impact of jet on stationary fixed plate. Okay, for different cases. So on today we will stop here. Thank you.